Hello everyone and welcome back to the breakdown. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to download and install Lucky Blocks in Minecraft 1.13. Now this is using a data pack, it's not using a mod, and that's because mods aren't out yet for 1.13. By the way, this will also work on 1.13.1, so whichever version you're working on and working with, this will work, so that's great. But nevertheless, this is what we're going to be installing. It's a pretty cool mod here, very easy to craft the Lucky Block spawner as well. As you can see there, it's not actually a block, it is just a spawn egg, but still works the same way. You're opening it up. And then this was interesting to me. So it's got 69 different structures, 28 loot chests, and 53 different commands. Wowzer! That's absolutely insane. And pretty freaking cool if you ask me. It's also got a bit of a warning here. Some Lucky Blocks can destroy a part of your map. I think that means don't open it up near any builds that you care about. But that's just true with any Lucky Block sort of mod. But yeah, so there's pretty much that. To craft a Lucky Block, you need 4 blocks of gold, 4 glass, and 1 bottle of enchanting, set up like that. So great stuff there. Let's go ahead and install this mod. But first, we need a message from our sponsors, which is GameServers. Go to the first link down below, the breakdown.xyz/MC server, to get an awesome 24-hour DDoS protected Minecraft server for just $1 per month. We use them ourselves and absolutely love them. Again, that is the breakdown.xyz/MC server. First link down below. Nevertheless, let's get Lucky Blocks installed. So doing this is pretty easy. You actually want to go to the second link down below, and it's going to take you here where we want to scroll down and click on the download mirror button right here. It's then going to take us over here to Mediafire, where we want to click on the big green download button right next to Lucky Blocks v1.1. It's going to open up the little pop-up. Just close out of that, and Lucky Blocks will save in the bottom left down here, which is what we want. If we minimize our browser, Lucky Blocks is on my desktop. For you, it might be in your downloads folder. To find that, click on the button in the top left. For me, it's probably the bottom left of your screen, right? It's the little Windows icon. Click on that, type in downloads exactly like that, and hit enter on your downloads folder right here. You're just going to want to take this from your downloads folder and drag it to your desktop, just for ease of use. Now, go ahead and open up Minecraft 1.13 or 1.13.1. I'll show you it's working on both, but we're just going to be installing it with 1.13 because that's what I have open right now. And once you're in here, all you want to do is go to single player. Now, because this is a data pack, it's only going to work on certain single player worlds. And by certain single player worlds, they have to be updated to Minecraft 1.13. For example, if we have a world down here, this is actually on 1.7.10, I think. That world, this world right here, they're not going to work. But all of these worlds that have been converted to 1.13 or 1.13.1, those are all going to work absolutely fine. If your world's not updated, you can go ahead and update it. Just be careful. Make sure you click the update and backup file. That way, if something does go wrong, you have a backup to be able to restore it. But nevertheless, let's install this in our tutorial world here. It's also worth noting that if you want to say I wanted to put this in our tutorial world and in our Nixcraft world, all we need to do is install it separately, right? We're going to do this installation process on each world, but we'll just put it in our 1.13 tutorial world here. So click on that, go ahead and click the edit button, and then click on the open world folder here. Then it's going to open up this where you should have data packs. If you don't have a data packs folder, guys, you need to upgrade your world to 1.13 or 1.13.1. Go ahead and double click on data packs here and drag Lucky Blocks into your data packs folder. Bada bing, bada boom, there we go. If the Lucky Blocks is still on your desktop, you can delete it at this point. It's now in your data packs folder. It doesn't need to be on your desktop anymore. Close out of your data packs folder here. Go ahead and click save. It doesn't matter, you could have clicked cancel too. What is important though is if you click cancel here on the world, right? Click cancel there, then click on single player, then click on Minecraft 1.13 or whatever world you want to install. Mine just says Minecraft 1.13. Whatever world you installed Lucky Blocks on there. Now, once we're in game, we want to type /reload. It should then say, wait for it, there we go. Lucky Blocks loaded, -Discord. That's just because you can click on that link to go to the Lucky Blocks Discord, which is pretty cool. But how do we know Lucky Blocks is working? I don't know if it's creative support yet. If it's not supported by creative, this won't work, but it might be. It doesn't seem like it is. Looks like that we are going to need to craft ourselves a Lucky Block. So let me go ahead and get the materials together for that, set up a crafting table, all of that stuff. I'll see you guys here in a second. Okay, and as you can see, we've just switched our game mode over to survival down here. So let's go ahead and make ourselves a Lucky Block. We've got the bottle of enchanting, and then we need to put the glass blocks right around like that. And then we need our blocks of gold right around like that. And there we go. It spawns in a cod egg. What? That's a fish. Exactly. That's the point. It makes this, and then once we save that and like actually add that down here into our inventory, it does save as a lucky block, which is pretty cool. So cod egg gone, disappeared. So now what we want to do is just place this on the ground, and boom, we have ourselves a lucky block. Now, who knows what this is going to spawn? First lucky block I've ever opened here. Would you guys like to see like a video of me opening a bunch of these? That'd be kind of cool. But anyway, let's go ahead and open this on up. Boom. Whoa! We got ourselves a TARDIS, which is pretty interesting because I did a video on, I believe, what's called the Dalek mod, and I pronounced it wrong. So I think Lucky Blocks is trolling me here. But that is actually pretty freaking cool. Let's do one more. Why not? And just like that, through the magic of editing and not creative mode whatsoever, I was able to go mine all of these golden blocks and mine all of this glass or sand to make this glass, and then I was able to go get 2 bottles of enchanting. There was no creative mode used whatsoever, but we're going to make 2 more of these because I think this is pretty fun, and then I'm just going to end this before this turns into a video all about Lucky Blocks. Now, as you can see here, or sorry, all about opening Lucky Blocks, but that codfish did move down into our inventory, but then when we closed out of it, it disappeared. So that is something that you're going to have to deal with because it's a data pack that you wouldn't with the actual mod. So let's just do one of these at a time. I thought that was just going to keep going up. Just a super long random cactus. Okay, so there's that one. Now let's go ahead and open up this one. I'm opening them up away from each other just so we can kind of see. Well, that was a fail, but still pretty cool nonetheless. Minus the fact you can't move this block, but you could like make a cool nether portal up here or something and incorporate that into it. But nevertheless, woohoo! There we go. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and hope you guys enjoy Lucky Blocks. I might actually add this to our Let's Play. This is pretty freaking cool. But nevertheless, guys, if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already for more awesome Minecraft tutorials and videos every single day of the week. Also, be sure to check out our server, play.breakdowncraft.com, if you want an awesome SMP, kit PvP, factions, all of that stuff on an awesome 1.13 server. So, yeah, come check it out. Nevertheless, guys, again, my name is Nick. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I am out, guys. Peace.